The last thing, guys, this is big, man. Like if y'all made it into the end, man, y'all gonna be the first people to hear about this, man. Look, we are starting a brand new like membership, basically. And we're starting up a group, guys, a tribe. We're calling it the Strong Army. All right. And if y'all watching this, man, y'all are gonna be the first people ever to have access to join the Strong Army. All right. And in the Strong Army, basically, guys, we're going to be, well, a part of Strong Arm Live. This is what, like, we're going to be doing live sessions, guys. Okay. Live Q&A sessions, a couple a week. We're going to be giving you our time, like live. We're going to give you access to us live interactive Q&A sessions. You're going to be able to access any questions that y'all have about the business, so you can go out there with confidence and you don't have to worry about, do I got this figured out? Should I do XYZ? Just come and ask us these questions. Also, you're going to be able to, we got like a nice little course created for y'all, something short, sweet, straight to the point. I want y'all out there doing income producing activities, like Mike just said, not just at home binge watching YouTube videos. Video time is over once you join the Strong Army. You're going to be out here getting
That's a
busy. Okay.
fact.
I'm trying to
That's a
tell you.
fact.
And then if it's not me and Najee, it can even be Najee, Mike, and the rest of the Strong Army, not just us. Guys, you're going to have access to a private WhatsApp group, and you're going to be able to interact with other Strong Army members as well. And you're going to be able to ask questions, interact, network, JV, make more money together so you can feel confident. You can get out there and make moves and get deals done. Ultimately, that's the goal. We want to make money out here. You don't want to just be at home watching videos, watching everybody else make money. Join the Strong Army today using the link down below that y'all are going to see. Join that link, like use that link, join the Strong Army, get around other people that are actually making money, and we're going to give you all of our sauce, not just the game.
Oh,
We're going
the
to be giving you the
sauce.
Yeah,
documents, contracts, scripts, files, everything that you need, and all of the back end stuff that we will literally never say on YouTube. Even when I was just telling y'all about the PPC stuff, we're going to go a lot more into depth on exactly how we're leveraging PPC in our Strong Army sessions. We're going to give you everything. We're going to, I can't even, like, y'all want to jump in here, man, because I'm hyped
Hey,
right now. Like I'm
it's
super
yeah.
excited.
way more than just wholesaling. It's way more than just
Mhm.
wholesaling. If you want to
Right.
invest, if you want to learn how we structured, negotiated this almost 4,000 square feet of living space on 10 acres in California for $1,600 a month at 0% interest in today's market.
That's
If
crazy.
y'all want to learn that type of sauce, that's what we're giving up. That's what we're giving to you guys. This isn't, we're gonna spoon feed grown men and women baby food.
Mm-mm,
No, this is let's
mm-mm.
all get to the point and let's make some money.
Yes,
Mhm.
sir. Yes, sir. Like we're gonna be eating steak dinners out here. No time for baby food. I hope y'all hungry. I
Lamb
hope y'all
chops.
ready. Right? Get them lamb
The
chops.
lamb
It's over.
chops.
Yeah, man. So look, I want y'all to be the first people. So the people that are watching this, if y'all made it to this point, we like 30 something minutes in right now. If you made it up to this point, I want to offer you something special. I want y'all to go ahead and use code early bird. If you use code early bird, you're actually going to get $50 off the lifetime of your membership. And keep in mind, y'all can cancel whenever y'all want to, and it's super affordable. We're leveraging group economics, y'all. So the more of y'all we get up in there, the lower we can make the price, basically. So I want to make it super, super affordable. We're going to be dropping so many gems, and we're going to be holding y'all hands. We got so many ideas for y'all in terms of like the value that we're going to be giving. Deal breakdowns, analysis. Y'all can bring all of your questions. You can get them all answered. We're going to be changing y'all lives out here. That's what the goal is. That's what the plan is. We still want to be able
Right.
to obviously we're going to be running the hell out of our own real estate business as y'all see, but we want to still be able to get out here instead of just making a bunch of YouTube videos. We want to work directly with the community and actually help y'all get to these deals instead of just talking about it. We want to get into the trenches with you all and help y'all close these deals. Show y'all exactly the strong arm way of getting out here and getting these deals. It's a particular method, man, that we use to get these deals. This is why we're so successful at locking up these creative deals, at locking up wholesale deals. It's not just about wholesaling. Like Najee said, we're going to teach you creative strategies. We're going to teach you how to go out there and buy businesses if that's what you want to do. We're going to show you how to piece together 0% interest deals and things of that nature. We're going to give you all of the contracts that you need to make all of these deals go through. And we're going to be right there with you along the way to make it happen. So, guys, take advantage. Get $50 off for the lifetime of your membership using code EARLYBIRD down below today. Boom, get started. So, man, hey, it's officially open, guys. Are y'all ready? Mike and Najee, are y'all there? Are y'all ready? Are
Hey, I'm
y'all
ready.
ready
I
to
was
be in
born
these
ready. I wake
sessions,
up
man?
ready. Hey,
Yeah,
I
man.
sleep with this on. I don't even think this comes off anymore. I'm ready.
Yeah,
What's up, bro?
the strong memory thing, man, is dope, man, because like you're gonna be able to not only like get in with the whole team, you know, but we're gonna be able to network, right? We can
Mm-hmm.
learn things from each other. We can help each other. We can do deals together, make money together. Like it's just a whole community, bro. So it's
Lit.
gonna be dope. Yeah.
It's about to be dope. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. So definitely take advantage. Y'all can still hear me? Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely take advantage. Use the link down below. It's www.thestrongarmway.com because we do things the strong arm way. If we got a strong arm deal, we're going to strong arm it. And we're going to show y'all exactly how to get out here and strong arm these deals as well from start to finish. We're going to break everything down. I don't want y'all to have any I don't want y'all worried or nervous. Am I doing this right? If you're feeling like
Right.
that, I just polled the community just recently, and I think it was 64%
60.
of you all said
Mhm.
that y'all haven't closed a deal this year. Come on, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So it's like we want to help y'all actually get to that first one right now in Q4. 62% of y'all have not gotten a deal. So if you're watching this, don't feel bad. Just come out to the sessions. We got y'all. We're going to show you exactly what to do. A lot of times you just need to be around other people as well. So you don't just out here, you're
That's
not
a
just out here
fact.
like a lone wolf. Like, I'll figure it out. Da, 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 da. That's not the wave. Ain't none of us get to
Right.
where we got by doing it all by ourselves. We
You
had
know what I
help
think
along
it
the
is
Right.
too?
way.
You know what I think it is too?
Exactly.
Accountability.
Yeah, exactly.
Because
You
you can
sometimes you
say
need
it
somebody
sounds
to
good
put
to
their
say,
yeah.
"Oh, I'm doing real estate. I'm a wholesaler. I'm this," but you're not actually like making the calls. You're not making
Right.
offers. You not, or you'll do it for like a
Action.
week and then be like, "Oh, I'm gonna go try this thing over here," or "Oh, I didn't get a
Right.
contract, so it doesn't work." Like it's
Mm-hmm.
accountability.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right.
You got to be
Right.
consistent every day.
That's so
We up
true.
in the VO every day, whether we want
Literally.
to be or not. Najee half the
Literally.
time is in the car or not even at home with the headset on, as always, in the VO. Like it don't matter what we doing. Like we always got our phone in our hand. We always on the VO. Like
Boom.
whatever it
We're
takes,
always
bro. We always
interacting,
in there
working
every day.
together.
Right. It's consistent. And we're going to stay on each other. Hey, bro, did you knock out X, Y, and Z?
Mhm.
Boom. Trust and believe we're going to be doing the same thing in these strong army sessions. We're going to be like, hey, so and so. Hey, Joseph, did you make your 50 calls? Where's your KPI tracker? Let me see that. You know what I'm saying? Let's make sure that you actually made the calls. What's your Asana account looking like right now? Have you actually been moving these people along, or are you just like letting everything just sit around up in here or whatever? We want to hold you
Right.
accountable. We want to hold your feet to the fire. We want to make sure that you've got other men and women in the trenches with you so you don't just feel like you're out here winging it by yourself. That's important,
Right.
man. Like entrepreneurship can be so unbelievably lonely. So we want to make it no longer like to where
Right.
you don't have to be lonely and you don't have to go out there and pay 8, 10, $20,000 to be around other people. You know what I'm saying? You can get that same experience for a much lower cost. So like don't think that you gotta go spend $8,000 to get around people and learn how to do creative finance deals. That's cap. We can help you. Like we do these deals all the time ourselves, whether you want to take them on for yourself or whether you want to wholesale them off to somebody else. We can help you at the price that's actually going to make sense for you. And like I said, if you're watching this, like I think we're going to do it for what, like the first 20 people. If y'all use the code EARLYBIRD, you're going to get $50 off that account as well. So just to save some money or whatever, we want to make this ultra affordable for the entire community. Trust me, believe. Even without that $50 discount, it's extremely affordable. Take advantage, guys, and get inside of there. We're looking forward to actually starting up these sessions. We're going to officially launch on the 16th. So march with us, guys. We out here. This is going to be the strong army. I want y'all to become members today. Take advantage for real. Boom. So anyway, though, guys, man, I think that that's the main thing, man. I really kind of want to leave them with that strong army introduction and whatnot, and man, I want y'all to take advantage. So outside of that, guys, do we have any like parting words for the community or anything else that we didn't touch base on today?
I think we covered everything. I think we covered everything. My parting words would be, if you're looking to get started, if you've been having trouble getting traction, this is just for you. It took me over 2 years to close my first deal, and I was somebody that, as far as when I first started taking action, it took me over 2 years. I was someone that thought that I needed to go drive semi trucks to raise money to do a fix and flip. I didn't know about wholesaling. I didn't know any of that. So any mistakes that I've made along the way, the advantage that you get to leverage is my learning curve, Mike's learning curve, Ed's learning curve. Ed has had some nightmare stories that he shared with me, and we
Facts.
really want to help you guys, not be like lost out here, because that was my thing. I was just like, I have the ambition to do it, but I don't know what I'm doing wrong or what I'm doing right. If I have someone to talk to, or even if I would have had a community to talk to, like, hey guys, this is what I'm dealing with. You're gonna have your
Hmm.
brothers and sisters that are gonna say, hey, let's help you with that deal.
Right.
So just having the right people around you when you're getting started is very essential. It's very essential.
Yeah, man.
Right. And two, like, so for me, Ed knows this, and I think Najee, you know this too. Like, from start to when I got my first contract signed, I got my first contract signed within 30 days, and we closed 2 weeks later. But
Mm.
then after that, right,
Hmm.
it was months of nothing, bro.
Right.
There was no deals that came through. I was doing it manually at the time, like manually texting people by hand, right?
Right.
No service, no nothing. While I'm at work, I'm texting people. But then it got to like maybe 2 or 3 months later, I'm like, damn, I'm kind of getting tired of this, like, and then I just started like not putting in the work, not being accountable, right?
Hmm.
So that's another thing too that we'll be able to help with. Because yeah, Najee took forever to get his first deal, but then he stayed consistent after that. I got my
Hmm.
first deal in a month and a half, but then it wasn't consistent after that.
Hmm.
You know what I mean?
Hmm.
So it's totally different, but that's what we're here to help with. You know what I mean? We're here to help you, with the things that we've learned along the way. Like me and Ed, we've been chopping it up for what,
Like
almost 4.5 years.
4 years,
I got
right?
my first deal, right? So
Literally.
like it's a community, right? Like you need partners that you work with. You need people to hold you accountable. There's been plenty of times where Ed's like, "Hey, did you do this?" I'm like, "I don't want to do that." He's like, "Just do it." Like,
Right.
you know what I mean? So
Hmm.
you
That's real
need
talk.
people to hold you
Got to
accountable.
get
You need
done.
people to share their experiences with you and guide you. So that's exactly what this is going to be.
That's a fact, man, for real. And I'm sure it's been several times that the situation has been flipped where I was like, man, I don't really
Right.
want to do that. And Mike's like, no, bro, just get it done. You know what I'm
Yep.
saying? So like we have to hold each other accountable. You know what I'm saying? At the end of the day, it's like we're all adults, right? And if you want to be
Right.
an entrepreneur, there is no boss. No one gives a damn whether you win or lose. Like
Right.
basically, you're the only person going in that box when you die. No one gives a damn what your legacy is. You're the only person that cares, literally on this whole planet. You're the only person that cares about your destiny, your legacy. And that's why it could be lonely out here as an entrepreneur. And that's why you need to get
Mhm.
yourself around other people that are active in the business, other people that are out there trying to help you learn and help you go through those repetitions, guide you through that maze. So you don't have to figure it all out by yourself because that's stressful. And like if
Very
you want
stressful.
other people to care, you got to be around other people that can actually relate. Most people that you're around right now are probably employees. They don't really
Mhm.
get it. And you're trying to break out of that rat race. You're trying to break out of your shell and trying to become something bigger. And a lot of times people are just not going to resonate with you. It's going to be the people that you love the most that are not going to understand. And that's why you have to surround yourself with people that know that understand what's going on, that's been in those trenches, that's had their family look down on them and tell them that they weren't going to be shit. You get what I'm saying? Like you need to be around those people so they can go through these struggles with you. You can share those experiences with other people. You don't have to hold it all in. You don't have to do it all alone or hope and wish that you're gonna get your first deal. Go out there with somebody that's already got a ton of repetitions that's more than willing to help you get more. Get more deals, make more money. That's ultimately what we're all here for. We want to make more money. We could JV deals
Right.
together as well. I never mentioned that. When you become a member of the Strong Army, typically we do 50-50 JV deals nationwide. You become a member of the Strong Army, we're going to do 70-30 deal splits with you, and we're helping you out the entire way. So it's like you can't beat it, and you're going to make the lion's share of all of your money. So guys, take advantage, man. Treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself, as I always say, right?
Right.
But yeah, man. I'm trying to think. Is there anything else that we need to touch base on? I think that's just about it, man. Make sure that y'all stay
Yeah.
tuned, man. Tap in with us, man. Follow us on social media. All our links will be down below. Like if we're not on YouTube, we're probably posting something on Instagram or Facebook or something like that. So find us on these other platforms as well, guys. I'm basically at the Wholesale Coach everywhere or whatever. Y'all will find me on there. But I'll have the guys' links down below. Take advantage of the Strong Army, guys. Use all of the links down below. If y'all want to grab Investor Lift, you can get 10% off using code Wholesale Coach VIP. That's what we use to dispo all of our deals. Take advantage, guys. All right. So anyway, man, any last parting words though, fellas, before we wrap this thing up?
No, I'm ready for the 16th, man. I'm ready for the 16th.
Whoa!
Hey.
Hey, we about to launch, guys. We launching. It's going down, man. Go ahead, hop in today. You'll get access to the course section that we have for y'all. Y'all get all of y'all download links, and y'all will be able to grab some discounted strategy sessions with either me or Najee or whatever. If y'all want to hop on a call, 60 minutes, chop it up. Sign up today. Get that discount link. Hop on a phone call. I'll be looking to having that call, man. Boom. So just like that. Anyway, though, guys, man, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this thing up. As always, man. Until next time. We are out.